Let's go, Sibling Rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just that. Hello.
What's
and
up?
welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Tali Tandima.
What's up, everybody? It is your favorite brother. Sukondima is the name. What's up? I hope everyone is doing good and is good.
Yeah, this year has definitely started. Now I feel it. Last year I was like,
Oh, is it?
Yeah, now I'm like, oh, we're in the thick of things. Hence the name on the board. I don't know if I've ever heard that before, but I feel like I've made it up. It's not a bad life. It's just your turn.
Yeah.
Have you heard it before?
No, not with that first two lines. I've heard it with something else, but I don't think this is a family-friendly show, so I shouldn't repeat that. It's not a bad life. It's just your turn. Happy with that.
Yeah, so that's kind of the kind of week I'm having, where I'm just like have to keep reminding myself, but
It's not all
it's
doom
not
and
all
gloom.
bad, bro. It's just like we give each other turns on holding the difficulties of the world.
Yeah.
It's just my turn right now.
No, absolutely, and I think it goes hand in hand with like if Vilila Chigelez. If Vilila Chigelez, the sun is not up the whole time, but also it's not dark the whole time, and I
Yeah,
think
for sure.
it becomes difficult to remember in both extremes, because guys knows I was tubulile.
Yeah.
You are like.
Are we kumbuling a bad day?
"Ah,
Bad
no,
day.
Not at all.
No.
Not at all. But then when things are bad, it's like when you're sick and you have a blocked nose and you're like, you know what, normal. Like you can't even remember. Oh, you've got a scratchy throat. You're like, oh, I wonder.
I wonder what normal felt like.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think it's one of those things where when you're in the moment, it doesn't matter good or bad. You just feel like, oh, yay, this is gonna happen forever. But nothing lasts forever.
Nothing really does. Hey?
Yeah.
Which we've heard so many times before, but it's just a difficult thing to remember.
Yay.
It really is, especially when you're going through it. I think the one thing though, when you're going through a good time, to think about nothing lasts forever is like doesn't have the greatest effect. Into zakho
kaloku
zibopha.
now
Ucinga uba,
you're pouring
hey,
water on
nothing
your-
lasts forever.
yeah.
Kwandini ungalibali.
Sengenzeka noma yini. Yeah, you don't want to
Exactly.
think about that.
No, for sure.
But also, it's like, does it have an effect on your? Oh, it does have an effect on your experience, I guess.
It definitely does, because then you're not fully experiencing the good. Goku, you're experiencing you kind of half.
Yes, you think about
experiencing
what could go wrong.
What could go wrong? Kuzothini ngoku? I wonder bayizomosheka kanjani lento.
I remember nakananikwa enye incwadi enyawuthi yami safunda high school. Igama lale ncwadi was expect the worst and you'll never be disappointed. What a dark book. Yeah. People, but then I guess, I mean, there are people that are cynical out there, you know what I mean? And then you're going to say, is that being cynical? Is that being realistic? What is it? Kahle? And you just don't really know.
There's a lot of people who expect the worst, honestly, though. Like Abanen Bazio, who say it with their mouths about, I always think back, kuzomoshakala. And then when things go right, I'm like, oh, this is a nice surprise. I'm like, how can you go through life like that, though?
I think that's a nice place of balance. Think about Moshakal, and then what do? When you think about Moshakal, you do everything in your power. But you so okay, mitigation plan A, B, C, D. You understand?
Yeah.
You're not saying, but because there's the extreme point of that.
Yeah.
Of now just thinking, oh no, the world has gone to the dogs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let's emigrate. You know what I mean? But it's just like, it's just a thing whereby you're like, okay, cool. You're trying to mitigate as much as you can. And then you still get to enjoy the moment.
Fine, but you're working from a negative point. You're not
No.
working from a positive point.
A positive point, Etini.
A positive point if things are going to work out.
Hope for the best.
Yes, things are going to work out and your energies are as such and you're putting it out into the universe. But when you're walking into a situation going, what a mess this is going to be, you're also working from a point of negativity.
I don't think you're walking in. So that's what I'm saying. I think that's the extreme point about what a mess this is going to be.
Yeah.
As opposed to coming in and being like, okay, cool.
Should this go wrong? I've got a
Kusenokwenzeka
plan.
into kusenokwenzeka sengenzeka noma yini is different from, yo, this is a
Disaster.
peep show. Do you know what I mean? It's yeah, I think it smells different. You know what I mean? But yo, as is okala, you're just like, hey, is ngakhala, which I think is the balance point.
So what kind of person are you?
I think I'm a balanced, but more so to kind of like the negative. So keep balance yam is more to the negative. You understand? But hey, kusenokwenzeka into wrong up, and let me do as much as I can. Then sometimes we are overdo again, and then still ukhala ngebhadi now, because I mean you spend 10 hours making a plan when the first 2 hours you could have made the plan, then rock.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, and I think it does kind of help. But yeah, just like everything else, I suppose we all try and strike a balance.
Yeah. How's your week been?
Yeah, it's been crazy. It's been absolutely mad. Yeah. I think, kwenzeke ntoni this week? This week, ndichebe nge-160. Just now.
Why?
Because I couldn't have my time figured out. So by the time I got here, the under pressure because nwele zami sezikhulile. So ndacheba nge-100. Jonga can't dream and not dream of when you 1/4 to dream. That how am I spending $300
No.
for
Ucheba inkai 160
Yeah,
and then
160.
utrima.
ususa le nto fonini ento ezi
Ungasusa kowenu.
yeah, but I just didn't have the time. So my schedule this week has just been messed up, so I just didn't have the time to do it. So I was just like, then sabona phambili, you know what I mean? And then what else happened? I took my car for a service, paid for that. I finally Fumene's bags, paid for that.
Where are they?
So it takes 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, I thought.
So I chose and
Get
then
your glasses made.
at the optometrist.
Okay.
So and then Kappa and you forget SMS plasma insurance abuyi. So that happened.
Where does she live? Does she live in Joburg?
Yeah. No, she came back.
Uh-huh.
But then we had a bit of a chat. And then I suppose she didn't like what we were chatting about.
Really?
Yeah. So she was also just like, yo man, peace
Deuces.
in the Middle East.
no.
So now there's that now on the go as well.
So funny can you find
Yeah, basically.
That's
But it happens. And the gardener left as well.
Why?
I'm gonna free jam. Oh, that's just wild. Because you take away and then we had an argument about that. Then I planted the grass. Then 2 weeks later it grew. And I was like, but bro, you lied to me. If you don't know how to do this, tell me so that we can teach you. But if you do know, then do it. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, cool. But now he's just like, no, the seeds you gave me, they weeds. I'm like, there's no way the packet ipalwe grass and it's got a picture of grass. Like, when you get caught up in those arguments where you're just like, this is crazy.
Yeah, this is madness, bro. You
This
didn't
is
do
like-
it. It's chill.
Like, kanyela to the last. So now I'm just like, bro, like, ayikho lento yenzayo, like you're lying, this is all whack, what sharp, ngena endlini divide, I leave, whatever. Come next week, ow, and phone yam, ayibo, where's our known? Fuck WhatsApp, one tick, ndamboleka ifriji ke wabona ifriji pa wathi kandibolekele ifriji yami iphukile wayithatha la fridge wahamba nayo ubuye nayo la fridge
Of course not.
ndimstoke ngiyomlinda somewhere.
Anamazi buhlala phi.
You understand? Okanye must get you from phone wena uthi hayi ndifuna umuntu wegadi man, let's meet somewhere, then ngiyogaqa pa. Oh man.
Nigga says am I here?
Yeah, nozobukinza bra. Man, yo
That's
abantu.
so whack. Also abantu. This is the whole
Yeah.
thing, you know, and
Yeah.
especially abantu abasevisa ezindlini, like you're never sure. You might think like, dude, you might have like 3 years of amazing, and then one day they just drop you. Ingathi abakwazi.
Yeah. That's exactly what it becomes like. Nyan. So now when I'm running in my hood, I'm like, maybe I'm gonna bump into him there. And I must have my game face on. You know what it is?
Oh no, that's terrible. I'm so sorry. It's not a bad life. It's just your turn.
It was reminding me to tell you a story. It was a car. Hey, can I tell you a story? Story time.
Of course.
And then you more to find enough. Yeah, he's a mechanic sharp. Oh, mechanic takes like 2, 3, 4 months fixing this car, and it hadn't crashed.
What car was this?
A Corolla. There's a Corolla all. So hey, for you can have dark times. They take a Corolla for they take 11,000. Man, since I'm because that's all I could afford at the time, and I needed a car.
Yeah.
Nigga, chap, cool. This chap eventually mises me. He's not picking up my calls. Tathe my alarm. No. Go to his work. Man, go to where he stays. I'm going to figure some clothes in the phone. Kettle and I figure boy la pan. I don't know. And I couple of months. I kill a cable. That Pakishimba, Nigeria. I got a name. I was pissed, man.
No, of course you were angry, bro.
Took clothes, took like 30 tools. No. Man, those lights up for me more to it. I lights up for me more to it. What did you say? Who's there? Did I ever find an ignorer when
So
I
who
got
was at the house? The girlfriend?
Chiriak?
Yo.
So
And
I'm
the
like,
girlfriend
it's
is just like,
I'm not figure the brr. Oh, yes, cool. My boot is now nice and full. Figure it, and then it's just like, hey, what's going on? No, you know what's going on, bro. No, but I told you to wait for me. Did you? Also, like, you understand? And they ask, going, no, yeah, I saw a phone. Hey! Hey, personal vessel. I wasn't prepared for the fight. Didn't bend on it. Didn't be heavy and now it's gas punch pop. Personal vessel. Good thing, oh, Spamban, a ponga. Yeah, I thought they knew Bogoting.
Ubani.
Yeah, I thought him Bogoting. Hey, now he's chasing me around the car. But I got around the car, but I got a bogot. Hey, got down this song. Hey, Texan Jal, and that's what I don't know what happened. I want to know what. Oh, wait, pause and bogot.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a huge bogot. And I'm the pep. Yeah, crazy bogot. And then I get into the car and he greet.
Yeah. With his stuff, obviously.
With his stuff.
Yeah.
Passport, young in.
Ay!
Greet. Which I never saw again.
Did you give
I got the car back though. And then yeah, that was that. So that shaking in those for like months.
before he brought the car back?
I got looking more to 9. I'm going to 30 more.
How long from the time that you guys had the altercation till you got your car?
It was within that week.
What?
And I'm going to 30 more to the toe and the teen.
And then imali yako gone.
Oh, I'm not even.
And then you stayed
But
with
again,
his
I
stuff.
think selo mnyumdu la mo 13,000. Then I profit.
You had to fight for that profit.
Yeah,
And then did you give his stuff back?
No.
Ew. Yeah, well, you need to think twice before talking about come on.
Bro,
dog.
everything's got repercussions, man.
No, 100%. You can't just
guys.
hold these in abantu and then think about account zokwenzeka.
Yeah. So, yeah,
Also,
that's.
mechanic utheni be Themba
Ngxaki nana nifuna yaphi anifuna yapha shop nifuna Bosch mechanic. That's the problem. And that's what's going to happen go to no Bosch. There's a price to pay. I'm so bored.
Usually the prices.
The price is kurasa remote yakho zoyifumana or uzawuconnecta le disconnecte le uphinde ubuye. Guys, anusebenza Bosch mechanic yani straight. If nyani something requires ba mawudibanisa ugqongo ne-counter. Oh, I'm going to have such fun seeing how you're going to translate that.
Oh, yes.
But yeah, anyways. So, yeah.
Okay, cool.
That took a turn from how my week was.
I can't believe I've never heard that story before.
Yeah.
Sorry, Bale.
There's plenty of stories that you've never heard, bro. Trust me.
Do I want to?
They will send shivers down your
Oh
spine.
no, okay, it's cool. Vibes.
Mamute Fondini, what do you mean? I'm 39 years old, bruh.
I know, but like your stories are like intense. I don't have stories like that. My stories are boring. No one wants to hear my stories. There's not a shiver in sight. So where nah?
Everyone's got those stories.
Okay, fine.
Just
I just thought of one, but fine.
okay.
Okay, cool. Let's just hope for a better week. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah,
we
yeah.
can do. And put your head down and keep it moving.
Yeah, let's do what we
Ultimately.
can
Let's do
all
what
the
we
time.
can. So last week we had the closeness of it all,
Yeah.
and we had it from our new book, our brand new, not so new book,
Okay.
and
Brand new second hand.
yeah, our brand new second hand
Yeah.
book, and obviously people said what they thought was the meaning of
Yeah.
La Maqalo that we spoke about, but we have now the actual meanings.
Okay.
All right. So the first one was Intaka yakangoboya benye.
Mm-hmm.
And so it turns out what that means is basically umntu ngumntu ngabantu.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Man, but isn't there a better way to say it? No man is an island.
yeah, well, which is exactly what that means.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Fair.
You wanted to say it in English, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. No man is an island, you know. We need other people around
Okay.
in order for us to survive, basically.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Does that speak to human interaction? Or does that speak to just other things? Like, umntu ngumntu ngabantu. Ndithanda uyiva loo nto leyo when people are thanking people for supporting their businesses.
Yeah.
So financial support leyo.
Fine. But also thanking people for
Emotional support as
emotional
well.
support. Yes, coming to imithandazo kuswelekiwa apha kule ndlu.
Yeah.
I think it
Visit
speaks
me
to all
in
kinds of
hospital.
support, actually.
Okay, cool. Yeah, all round.
Yeah, all
Okay,
round.
fair.
And then the second one was inkomo isengwa ngoyaziyo.
Mm-hmm.
So it turns out what that means is that, oh my gosh, that like a job needs to be done by someone who knows about the job. So basically, imoto xa yophukile basically
Yiseka mechanic.
iseka Toyota. Yayiva chomi. Ngayisi kuBrabani.
But uspane Toyota.
Oh, you want to go do this again?
I'm just saying, uspane Toyota for probably.
But you know what I'm saying? Why yes, Toyota?
Terms and conditions, yeah.
Yes, he's not affiliated anymore.
No governance.
No.
Oh, he still works there on a day to day.
But he's just a crook. Okay, fine.
He's not a crook.
Oh, why are you talking? Tenumthethelela.
No, because I know how these people are. These people aren't crooks.
But
Bafuna ukuhlala emva kwabo.
What's the fun in that for anyone?
Brothers, people that can't manage themselves. They thrive under. They thrive under.
Isihlangu somuntu.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so stressful.
Yeah, and that's how they know how to do. Hey, bopha la Bolt. Hey, yithi don.
But iskill unaso but akakwazi. No ways, I can't. No, that's too much. But yeah, so that's
And kokusho wena you can't all be entrepreneurs phone. Bakhona baqeshwa. Neke bekhona.
okay, fine. It's so scary. All right, cool. I've got another one today. Inxeba lendoda alihlekwa.
Asihleki inxeba, sihleki indoda. That's should be easy.
Okay, let's hear it.
You can't laugh at a person's scar, nxeba, something that's going wrong with them. Yeah, wound. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
So meaning that if when you figure out with I'm not and your hands are black and so that's
then
what's
do
happening.
laugh.
Then laugh and then it's not cool.
Why is it not cool?
You're often
There we go. That's where I wanted you to get to.
And also it's not helpful. How am I helping you by laughing at you?
many people want to help other people. Just
Yeah,
genuinely.
no, then you're taking away from the other person's human experience. So okay, Lennon Choi, but and in jest we often say, "Asihleki inxeba, sihleki indoda." Which is
As
also
if that
like
makes it better.
it doesn't make it better at all.
No.
Guys, afuna uhleka also kaloku so ke sawuhleka.
Umuntu ohlekayo kodwa ngumuntu ogezayo also. Like umuntu ozilungeleyo also ufana umhleke. Do you know what I mean?
Wena uhleke kwakho manje lo. Kozenza clever, ulungele ntoni ntwanweni.
Hayi boss, ukontima.
I'm just saying.
You are just saying it's weird. Okay, and the last one is umzimba waziwa ngumniniwo.
Does that not sound similar to the other one?
It really does.
It sounds similar. Umzimba was umniniwo, like I know I know my car. Yeah, understand?
When
Petrol
someone
is
says,
0 0
yeah,
and you're
yeah,
just
like,
like,
no,
bro,
no,
I know my car, dog. Bani. I know my person. I know my house. I know my. Do you know what I mean? Like
you know
things.
how these things work.
Yeah, absolutely. And they're yours. Yeah, correct. Absolutely. Yeah. I think so.
Very good.
Definitely.
Look at you, so studious today. You're so
I'm
sweet.
studious all the time, bro. That's a lot on these crackers way. Even if I don't get it right, but I make it make sense.
Shy.
You make it look sexy, bro.
Make it
This
look
is the whole thing. You know what I mean? So yeah. So, and I think I'd love to. Well, I suppose we'll get feedback from you guys in terms of how it was going on a first date with your parents, siblings,
Yes.
etc., etc., etc.
Yeah.
And for the first time in history, I've promised a part 2.
And
I'm actually gonna pull it off. So I'm gonna pull it off. So I had massive fun with the previous one.
Yes, so did I. I couldn't wait. I was like, when are we
really?
shooting again?
Okay.
Yeah, because it was fun for me too.
Nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so excuse the way I look, guys. I'm on a date. Kind of nervous. Second date left, but it's really a continuation of the first one.
100%. I'm very comfortable on our second date.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
I came on time. I wasn't early. I kind of like the smile.
You're a bit cash, though.
I'm a bit, yeah, of course. We're at a beach resort.
Okay, you feel comfortable around me.
I feel comfortable around you.
That's good. That means that you'll probably be very comfortable with my first question
Oh,
then,
no.
darling.
Pop the balloon. Okay.
I mean, I'm not gonna ask you anything hectic as usual. I mean, like, just like, what's your greatest fear?
Oh my God.
So what's your greatest fear?
Funny story. I had a conversation about this morning at the gym.
About your greatest fear?
Yes.
Okay.
Being in
When was it Nzimbi?
No.
Actually, that actually rates quite high.
No, really.
Oh, Yiki.
No, then I would never go. Bando, you can wear us
At all?
No.
Have you ever seen these epic fails that said you means Nzimbi?
Yes, but the thing is, and the toilet 220 kilograms.
Okay, sure.
So man, you wear I think I'll be okay.
Well, on 5 kg.
Never. But we were talking with this lady. I don't even remember how we got there. But ultimately, being out in the open ocean,
Okay.
like mhlambi, let's say I went on a cruise and then the boat decided to not work anymore, and then we're now
Yeah.
that's
But I sing a boat, but it's just there.
singa ngoku funeka sihambe ngedinghies.
Okay,
Uyabona?
Titanic.
But we can't see land anywhere, and we don't know how long we're gonna be here for. Umanzi, there's no food. What?
How do you even get there?
By being on a boat.
No, I'm just saying, in your mind, how does your mind get there? But you guys come stuck out at sea like.
I'm genuinely scared of the ocean.
Okay.
As much-
Okay.
Yes. As much as I've swum in the ocean all my life,
Yeah.
and
And you know how to swim.
I know
properly.
how to swim,
Yeah.
but even now, like when I go to the beach, I always have I hope everything's gonna be okay here.
Really?
Yes. all the time.
Utheni waphantsi urhaxwa?
No, it's not even that. I don't know. It's just like it's so vast. Like anything can happen.
Yeah, and it is vast.
And awuzazi into awuziboni izinto ezikhoyo, awuzazi. Like, you know, sometimes when like the seaweed creeps on your leg, finished, like I'm done. Now I'm like, oh, are we going home? Because what is this? But there's too much unknown in the ocean. And I feel like we take it for granted, but yeah. Why do we even swim in it? Also, siyotini.
Ezipulu zingaka.
Ezipulu lamadama ngaka.
Amabhadi kaloku.
Sure.
Amabhadi ahlanjwa ngetyiwa not ngechlorine. Not you mean.
Okay, so faka ityiwa phaa ebhafini.
Of which some people do.
Really?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's a lot. The ocean really does scare me. And every time I'm in it, I'm literally fighting all my demons.
Really?
Yeah.
And then go essential boat cruise. No, not interested.
No, I mean, when I went to Portugal last year, whenever it was, I jumped. How do you
know someone has been to Portugal?
They'll tell you. Must make the examples as Pilayo.
Personal stories. That's powerful.
Say that powerful without laughing like a cat at the end, please.
No, but this is
the example I have of the fear that I had.
Sure.
Because I didn't do this in South Africa. I did it somewhere else.
Overseas.
Suko. Lions are Euro.
Sono sethu ungabi passport.
Yeah, I mean, 30 passports apart. We went on a boat. And we were going like through these caves or whatever. It was really fun. But then the boat kind of docks in the middle of the ocean and then you kind of chill for a while.
Yeah.
Then the guy was like, you guys can jump in. And I was like, oh, I just saw jellyfish. I saw things I don't know. And I was like, what do you mean?
Hey, it's going to jump in with like that little snorkel thing.
With nothing.
It
It was jumping, like, go swim.
No, absolutely. That happened to me when I was in Zanzibar.
Oh, no. Did you have to use a passport to get out of this country? Tell us more. Not you, mate. You know when somebody, when you tell a story and someone's trying to like, oh, what experience do I have? What happened?
But yeah, you would probably have been more freaked out because it was one of those. There's a boats for I guess a lot of boats are no, they're not handmade. Yeah, you handmade boats, yeah. And kwabe kushiwo kodwa often ba N10. Andangena nje kangena ngibambelele ebhoti the whole time right. Because but I wasn't. I think your fear is like on another level.
Did I jump into the ocean? Yes, I did.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Cause also the same way I swim at the beach, it's the same thing to me.
No,
I'm taking the same risk.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
okay.
So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do it once. And then I can say I've done it.
Yeah.
And then that's the end. Then I can close that chapter.
Sure.
But I jumped into the middle of the ocean.
Nice.
And
then you looked under the water and it was beautiful.
No, I didn't look anything.
Oh, you weren't wearing things?
No, we weren't wearing goggles,
okay.
No. And then got back in and I was just like this, but it kind of reinforced my fear also.
Okay.
Because it's hard to stay afloat in the middle of the ocean. It's really hard. And so I was like, oh, give me 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Out in the wild and I'm not making it.
No flow, kaloku fanini.
Chomi uzocinga uba ishark. Oh.
Shark awucimbulisele. Idile ngawe. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, my biggest fear is definitely the ocean. What's yours?
Yeah. I feel like Mal is so whack now.
What is it? No.
It's not being able to provide for my family.
Which family?
The family that I want to have in future. What do you mean?
Oh, you have a future fear. That's so wild.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say it's work. It's my fear nonetheless. Greatest fear is
I think that is such a ndoda fear.
Dine family abantwana bami isikolo akho nto ingenzekiyo. then I don't know. Then and I don't know what. Also, it's not like I'm scared that something's gonna happen. Then I can't provide.
Because you lose your job. Or
Yeah,
whatever.
lose span or whatsoever, lose motivation or something. I don't know. Then I just can't provide, bro. Then these eyes looking at me, and then I'm going to provide. I'm so scared of that. I'm so scared of that. But it's also, I feel like it's such an irrational fear.
Yeah, because anything can go wrong at any time,
Yes,
anyway.
yes.
So
And
to
like-
pick one and go,
Yeah.
this is the one I'm most scared of, is a little bit irrational.
Yeah, but
But
also,
also knowing who you are, awunoveske uyekelele so
Yeah.
that you get to that point.
Correct.
If you ever get to that point,
yeah.
ungaya fighting. Do you know what I mean?
go out swinging, swinging. And you also to go out if you're swinging.
No,
Like,
100%.
this is the whole thing.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
like laws of the universe.
Yeah, for sure.
Suncamo ngamncamo Yesu.
Yeah.
Nawe suncama, like,
Now ungazincami.
yeah, so that's what makes me think like maybe is that an irrational fear?
I think it's a very male sided fear.
Nazo nini lezo fears. Sana.
No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying like email no, come on.
If you were to share that fear, it would be by hey, ndoda yami izokwazi uprovide. It's not about you.
No, I mean, I have this fear every day that I'm not going to be able to keep providing for myself.
Okay.
For sure, every day,
Okay.
every single day.
Okay.
But because it's happening every day, it's kind of just like underlying. It's just
Yeah. It blends into everything else.
Yes, it
Yeah,
blends
sure.
into everything else. But I feel like because I also like I don't see like me in my future. I don't see myself with a man who
Yeah.
provides for me.
Okay.
So
Provide.
no,
Oh, summary lay.
no. But hearing it from you, I would like to think that it's a man-driven fear. Actually,
No, and I also think so because I don't have a fear of not being able to provide for myself. A nile of fear. And I guess that's also maybe like on some, if I'm thinking to my head, worst comes to worst. Yeah, lala na phansi kweblorho, ana stress. You understand? But now definitely lele phansi kweblorho by 4. Then it's a different story. Do you know what I mean? Because now I must stay. Deal with.
and defend.
You understand? Yeah.
You don't want to put yourself in that position.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
With myself, I know ukuthi hafuni ndiyakwazi ukwenza whatever I need to do, you know what I mean, to survive.
Yeah.
But now it's like, it's that thing of like, now there's like other added people.
Okay, let me ask you this then. How do you feel about, let's say, that had to happen where you fall on really bad times and you can't provide, but your wife is up?
Oh, see, Africa look for
Oh, okay.
What do you
No,
mean?
no, because I know some people will be like, oh, I'm fuzzy.
Oh, funny.
I don't know.
Ah,
That's
see,
what I'm
Africa
asking. And like, it's like a year goes by and his school fees is busy.
Oh, it's fine now.
Yeah,
It's fine now. It's fine now. Ah, that's fine.
As long as
In fact, must be the fro, actually.
as a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, yeah,
This cancels out your
special
fear.
now.
Fear cancelled.
Yeah, no. My fear is mostly like if I go up, I go up. Like I come up in
Oh, okay. Kuyalaza.
team there to up all night. But essentially like it's that's my thing. Kadilele ziko ziyakhala.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No one is up. Otherwise, you go boy, fro, kwatini, it's fine now. Yeah, ikhathalelanga yonke lo bit.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad that
Yeah.
that's your...
So do you think the state can continue with my fears?
I don't know. I just feel like my fear's whack now after hearing yours. Because I'm like, you scared of the ocean? Don't go. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Find another fear,
Let's
please.
have you can do it really, you know? Yes, it's okay.
Exactly. I can totally live my life without going to the ocean at all.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Fine. It's not a competition though.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's nice to know that the fears of Zako are real or not. I don't know.
Yeah. And I guess it also just helps to talk about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to kind of bring context and make you be able to process them in a logical manner as well.
For sure. I think another one for me would be getting old and being sickly. And funukul.
Okay.
I don't want to be old and sickly.
Yeah.
I feel like I do everything in my power right now to make sure that that doesn't happen.
Yeah. I was chatting to a friend this week and she actually said, so she's like, running, gymming, being active. And she said, it's because I'm making deposits into my
Retirement.
physical pension fund. And I was like,
I like that. Yeah.
because I don't think I've ever really thought about it like that. Because at the end of every month, fucking retirement annuity, no. But we don't make those deposits into my retirement. How am I gonna be physically?
Exactly.
And how can I contribute to that
Now,
today?
and you can. This is the thing. You can contribute to it
Yes.
every single day.
Yes. It works exactly the same, like the
way.
money that you're putting away.
Yeah. Cause we don't think of it. We don't think of our physical. It's almost like we leave it up to whatever happens. So one man is okula, kanjani uzogula.
Yeah, chance.
Yeah, and if ndiyagula, so exactly. And if ndiyagula, zothatha ipilisi, nditye treatment, but quality of life is also important when you're over 65.
Because the money doesn't matter.
Yeah, I mean the money's nice, but ultimately, what's nice?
Yeah. The fact that you can afford to be in hospital.
Oh.
How's about you not in hospital, firstly?
Exactly, 100%.
Oof. So the fact, but at least you're doing something about the fear, because
Yeah.
that fear is bringing you to a place whereby now cooking simple.
Hey, when is this gonna end?
Okay, sure. Hey.
I'm always
Sure.
I'm always threatening my gym partner.
And
And you know what he said to me the other day? I think he'd had enough. He was like, you know what? Because he's a personal trainer,
Yeah.
right? And he was like, you know what? Every time I train girls and then they come to a point in their fitness where they feel like they're strong,
Like that.
they're always threatening violence.
Wow,
I'm
you
like,
guys
yeah,
are wild. Yeah, and? Which man done? No, for sure. I like that.
So
I
he
like
was
that.
just like, it's so weird. Like, it's everyone.
Yeah.
Abefika bangathi wena bayaziwa
Yeah.
strong. I'm like, well, that's kind of cool. I think it's cute.
Well, up until you try.
No, come on, that sounds okay. Do you imagine?
Okay. No, that's right. That's fair.
Are we on to the next
Nicknames.
one?
Yeah. What's your favorite
You
nickname?
really like nicknames.
What's your favorite nickname of yourself? Your favorite nickname, Yako?
Of mine? I also hardly like. I like it when certain people call me Tali.
Oh!
Yes, not everyone.
Not Wonke
No.
Wonke. Really?
Yes. That's just the way that.
Nah. But does it Italy? Do you
Oh.
like it?
Do you call
Do
me
I
that?
fall under certain people, Tali?
Yeah. you do.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
There's just like. There's a way it sounds that is either right or it's not right. And I don't know how to explain
Oh, so
it.
so certain people just pronounce it in the way that's right.
Well, that's endearing enough. You know, there's an underlying tone of endearment there. Where I
okay.
go, oh, okay, we are Nteketisa.
Okay, so it's not necessarily about the person and how you feel about the person.
No,
it's
it's
it's in the how it sounds.
100%.
Okay.
Back in the days, people used to call me TT. I think that was my favorite one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of faded out though.
Yeah, no one calls me that anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. People call me Talita Abri all the
Clean, full time.
time.
Hey, well, you're actually right.
Yeah.
No one calls you Lita. No one calls
I
you
would
anything.
hate that.
Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, but no one, people don't nickname me. Also, these days, there.
Yeah, also like, also don't cut someone. Also, when it comes to nicknames, don't just cut someone's name off. Shave a couple of letters off. Like,
Yes, make it mean
Eh,
something,
we-
make it cute.
wena thandekile ungathanda umuntu avela athi ungundekile. No. Why do you feel it's right to say utalita ngulita? Like, yani wena sonwabiso, no, athi ungubiso.
I'll take it easy, Kalagabi. You're being lazy.
And something.
Okay, get it. Stop.
Kancane ukuthekeza ngumuntu onxibe iwig namacici ezawagxwibhila. Okay.
And what about you, Tamzibela?
You clean. Ungqibile.
Did someone give you that or did you make it up for yourself?
Ah, someone gave me that.
Oh,
I
that's
just don't remember who. Tamzupela. Ah, yanibulala. Yanibulala.
Is it the da in the beginning?
It's got a lot to do with the da.
Okay.
It's got a lot to do with the da because I also like da sweets. Thank you, Yoli. Love you loads.
Oh, did you really give me that?
Yes.
cute.
It's to do with the da.
Okay.
But also like the funny ones, umzwaiko. Ndiyamthanda umzwaiko. Hayi ke umzwibiri naye. A special place in my heart. But I think you have to
nice
take the cake with Tamzupela.
Yeah. What about Uzu?
Zuka. I was just about to say, Zuksi. Come on, bro. Because also I think a lot of people about Zuks. So it's just special.
Oh, I hear you.
I call personal.
Not everyone with Tamzu.
Akekho, you run. You understand? Always choose I'm tallest tombin.
What about Umzukwana?
No, but if ligama olithandayo wena aliqhuba. Yabo? Zukos.
Zuko. Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, definitely. That's yeah.
Timani. That's
Oh,
the one.
Timani.
Yes.
Really?
Oh, my fave, bro.
Really?
My absolute fave.
That's crazy.
I know, it's weird. Kaloku the rap star in my head. Timani.
That's wild because, and I say that's wild. Just this morning, a friend of mine, we were chatting on WhatsApp, and he come like ungwazi, titimna. So I'm sending a voice note. Hey, you know what it is, El Money Talk, and he sent me a voice note back saying, Jana, I'm telling El Money.
That's cute.
That's crazy. That is cool.
Sure, El Mani.
Yeah. That's
Timani's
super
nice.
cool. That's super
I'm
cool.
not mad at that.
Okay. Tell me about your perfect weekend. What did that look like? Can't zobele a picture of what would you call a perfect weekend?
Okay, it has to be in winter, first and foremost.
Okay.
And then I'm away. I'm in a cabin in the woods. Right?
Okay.
I'm cool. I can't even take my car. They're thinking I'm in a 4x4.
Okay, let me guess this. No.
No.
Oh, okay.
Same
Don't need a passport.
I don't need a passport this time.
Okay, sinone izindawo zibandayo. Track and spec.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's just trees around. And it's like, I'm Big Bear where
Big Bear wapi?
Ridge used to take Taylor abantu bakhe.
Oh, Taylor, no, Semi, Kwasani.
He was in a different show, but okay.
Okay, Ribalance. Yo, Stefan.
Yes!
Eric.
They all used to go to Big Bear. Which was the cabin in the woods that they had.
Yeah.
Akho network, kuyabanda, kuyanetha. Oh my goodness. Kukumlilo.
Tell it to film.
I really like the book. I really like the forest, and I don't think I go to the forest enough. Like
Okay.
I'll go to the bush, but that's not the same thing, you know.
Okay.
And then polile pafoni, peka, Google TV, whatever, chilling weekend, just chilling. Maybe go fishing in the lake that's frozen over. Oh,
Kibilika pa uchones
I am a white girl. What I am
Okay.
is a Becky. Yeah, dude. I think about that so often.
Really?
Yes.
Waka wayenza lona le. Oh. P.
For me now.
Okay.
And the feeling that I felt when I was doing it was just complete
Zen.
zen, bro. Like I was like, I wish for nothing else. Akondi shotayo.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah. And then at night, like the cabin like creaks a little bit. It's a little bit scary, and you're just like, I wonder if there's bears out there. What do crocodiles do at night?
They certainly don't open doors of cabins.
Yeah, man. I love being out there. This is my favorite thing.
Really?
100%. And xa ndicinga a perfect weekend away, andicingi nge-perfect weekend ndilapha eJoburg ever.
Kaloku misesawutsho namba question ibisithi perfect weekend, not weekend away.
But that is my perfect weekend.
Okay.
Because my perfect weekend apa is being home, being on the couch.
Okay. Yeah.
End of story.
Yes, cinga kancinci thina phone.
Ucinga
Awuziphephe kunicinga pha kum na apho ndihlala khona
Okay.
and think just
Ithina lokuya.
wake up on a Saturday morning.
Uh-huh.
Go for a 21-kilometer run.
So like usual,
Come back, have an ice bath.
an ice bath. Ooh, an ice bath!
Yeah, we're getting there. We're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Just like the normal things.
Like the stuff you do every weekend.
Stuff I do. every
So
weekend.
you're living your perfect weekend.
Yes, and I think that's also a great
Yeah.
way to live life.
Well,
Sunday iyafuna into ebubrunch.
Yes.
Sunday iyayifuna into ebubrayi.
yes.
Kuhle kwiziqhazolo.
Ewe.
Kumandi,
Ewe.
hleli nabantu.
100%.
It's just vibes.
Yes, everyone's looking
The
pretty.
vibes that Sunday only can bring.
Yeah,
You won't
100%.
find those
On
vibes
Saturday
on
even.
Saturday.
Yeah.
You only find them on Sunday because inalanto ba imfuchane. So
Ewe.
make the most of it. Hey, Eva, it's giving me grilltjies.
Not that.
Yeah, understand?
Okay, cool.
Beke ichops emlilweni. Ah,
I like that.
yeah.
Yeah. My Sundays are so lonely. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Yo, look like uphela nini Sunday. I would rather it be Monday than finish the rest of the Sunday.
Oh.
Yo. Kalibungani for indini.
Askies
But
Askies
hey,
pram.
it is what it is. I'm also learning to not think of it as lonely, even though I know what that feeling is.
Yeah.
But there's so much stuff that I get done in those lonely
yes.
periods.
They're lonely, but they're productive.
Yeah, they definitely
Hella
are. They're
productive.
things, you know, into xa ucinga phakathi evekini uqonda uba xa nexesha funeke khe
Yeah.
and then you're like sitting on a Sunday and you go, I wish I was chilling with people. And then sometimes it's gata, not all the time.
Yeah.
And you're just like, let me just do that thing that I said I wanted to do.
When kupontshontshe kula week, yeah. Or like something productive.
Yeah, sure. When I know my trust. Yeah.
And spring clean. I mean, there could be so many things.
100%. I can't finish cleaning. That's one thing that I have a problem with.
Niteni clean njani Nathan?
Like you're cleaner. Diti kitchen, diti lounge, diti room, diti bathroom. Then I'm just like, oh, okay. I'm
Tini,
done. I'm actually, this was great. But
Yeah.
So igqibezela ngomso le part 3.
Sure.
Yeah, I can't finish.
afika ungomso turns into next week Sunday,
hallelujah.
then uphinda wadakisa
Amen.
wangcolisa. Sorry, no udakisa, is that even a word?
Kwenza mdaka.
Two more. Ne? Ooh. Favorite? Do you have a favorite movie?
No, I don't have favorites.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't have favorite anything.
Do you have what movie have you watched more than any?
Bridesmaids.
Bridesmaids.
Yes. Have you seen it?
No,
You
was
have
it
to
is
see
a
it.
romantic
I'll
comedy?
Watch it with you. For like 700th time.
Sorry, don't need rom-com.
More calm than rom.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but that's my. I don't watch things and his pinned izinto.
Okay.
But that thing, if it ever comes up, I'm like, oh, I guess
Oh, sure.
this is what I'm watching
Okay,
today.
here it is.
Love it so much.
Yeah, lyrics uyacengeleza. Oh, okay.
Aye, kuyenza.
Oh, okay, cool.
Like
Facts.
sasiyenza kuzilwa my stuff.
Facts.
And
Okay.
yours?
Yeah, typical.
Fast and Furious
Bad
5.
boys.
How boring.
I was also out of touch with like movies.
Oh, you don't watch a lot of movies.
And then as movies are clever, I just don't get them. We're gonna Matrix got out, and I'm like, it's a chop, yeah. Except
Yapilisi
the
bovu, yes, I I feel you, bro. I watched Matrix once and I was like, that was not made for me. and then everybody talks about it all the time, and you're like, I don't even remember what happened.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Jay, from time to time, you know, in a conversation, it's not the spoon that bends. Okay. Big
Whatever that
facts.
means.
It's okay. You win the lotto.
Yeah.
80 million
What a strange number. Okay.
US dollars. I'm joking. 80 million rand, you win the lotto. Right? Talita, you have won. Talita Labuskachni. You get to, if you know what movie that comes from.
Please let us know. Because that is such a specific thing. If you know what movie that came from, you grew up with us.
Right? You win the lotto, 80 million. What are you doing?
I need a nap.
And so lalo Mikael Angelo ke washout.
I'm not going to
Oh, yeah?
Michaela Geller.
Really?
I think I'd need at least a week to process.
Okay.
Honestly. Yeah, 100%. I think I'd need at least a week. And izokwenza zonke izinto engiqala uzenza. Vuka apha, siyajimbini, ndiza apha.
Phila ngathi
ngizoshuta.
ulihlwembu. Come on,
Oh,
bro.
so ndiphila ngathi
That's it. No, kuna 80 million. Uphila ngathi ulihlwembu kaloku.
Yeah.
Ngambi
yeah.
auditions ne 80 meter uphila ngathi ulihlwembu.
Definitely.
It's
Ngambi
giving
audition.
desperate, yayiva. It's like umuntu aphangelayo, you're phangela 80 million. Are you desperate? Like what's happening?
It's giving desperate to be normal.
You understand that? Yeah.
No, I really think I'd need the time to just carry on with my routine
Okay.
a little bit before things start popping off. But I'm buying a plane ticket, bro. As soon as I step out of that,
Oh, okay.
I'm buying a plane ticket and I'm out. And that's when happy.
Okay.
But ndihamba ndisayozinga napha kulaa ndawo ndiyakuya qala shop.
Uza endaweni eyi-1 okanye uzawu.
Kaloku ndizoziva uba ndifila njani.
Okay.
Only 3 days.
Mhlawumbe uzofila ngathi I feel like winter. You know, I
I
feel
feel like
like
snow.
okay.
I feel like tropical.
Okay, cool.
Uyayiva?
Okay. For a bit.
No, 100%. I think definitely the first thing is buy a first class plane ticket somewhere.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that the question?
I'll transfer.
Transfer ownership.
Tina.
Ubani?
Mali.
Oh,
Family members.
Isithi ndilihlwembu.
Family members.
Kaloku fondini funeke ndibuye and then ke ndithi.
After how long, man? So Tina Sipi, sisaphangela Tina Jim. Are we still like, are we still waking up and going like, I'm just trying to understand. But look, in flight is as a sisaphangela Tina.
it.
Wow.
It's a fucking...
Whoa, wait. Have you told us?
No, I haven't.
Heavy.
But look, I'm still-
Heavy. Uleli the whole week. Uzoshuta i-podcast une-80 meter. That's crazy.
Then, xa ndihambile,
Awumbulala umuntu.
xa ndimkile, ndiyocinga still. Yabo. Then ndibuye ndithi, okay, ndizoyithini ke ngoku le mali. Hlale phansi ne-family members endifuna uhlala phansi nazo. It should be immediate family. Ndithi, guys, ndiwelwe ngumqa esandleni. And I would like to...
Kubani omkhulu mna noYesu. Nesiphendule ethi.
Nguwe Matali. Nguwe Timani. Yeah, that's it. Then I'll definitely need Timani.
Oh no.
Nguwe Timani. And then, yeah, ndithi, okay, wena, zokunika 100.
Uyayichaza imali uyinleyo wena.
You don't need to know about it. When I was thinking 130,000.
Hey.
No, I'll just tell you guys. Look, I've come across
Yeah.
imali eninzi, and I'd like to give you guys some.
And then usikele loo nto usikela yona. Ungasichazeli in fact ufuna i-account number. Ufuna i-account number.
Ndinazo account numbers zenu
Okay.
zonke actually.
So then
Then ndibuza uba ndiyifake kule account okanye izongena emngxunyeni.
Kaloku uzabuza uba imali yini uzayifaka lona. Mhlawumbi umngxunya 500. You understand? Hectic.
And wena?
Yeah. I don't think ngachaza now. But there will be signs. There will be signs. Ndibhatele rent kule nyanga. Afuna ukubhatalele. Mane ndibuza random questions like that. Afuna ukubhatalele. No, look, I mean, my general rule mna is once I come into imali, ininzanyana and then normal. So if I'm like the bonus or the general rule 10%, so you come. Correction series. You understand? And then I think from there, I anoniphi imali.
Okay.
Ndingathi mna fanele yinoni into ofuna uyenza engenza imali and inida malini. Like I would want to say andifuna uinvest kuwe. Yitsho uba yintoni ufuna uyenza.
Okay.
So that you can pay uzazibhatalela ngokwakho i-contract zefone no markhams no uyozicimela ngokwakho ndizozenza ezi-trivial ngolo hlobo.
Okay.
But I would say, how are you going to make money grow?
Okay.
And let me pour into that.
So, okay. No, 500 hour ke nje.
For uba uyitye
For ndifuna ukwenza ezinye izinto.
ezifana nantoni yalo chaza itemize.
I want to pay off my car.
Ah,
What? I do want to pay off my car.
not ngemalam. Not ngemalam.
Ngemali yami engizoyenza ngala investment.
That's fine.
Oh, boring.
That's fine. Because what am I teaching you? Nothing.
Why you give me money? I don't want to learn anything. Somebody for you, neighbor. What is this?
Would you feel entitled? Did I guys
No.
100 meter?
I can say now that I wouldn't feel entitled, right?
Different story.
When it's happening, I'm not sure how I would feel.
Okay.
Obviously, there'd be a feeling of, why is he trying to teach us lessons,
Oh,
bruh?
yeah, fair.
We've learned that tell us Ruzuka, you've been there, Ruzuka Lati.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden you wanna teach us lessons. Come on, bro. Samali.
Okay, ndichaze uba ndifumene 100 meter. Umuntu uzamnika le mali ayifuna ayicelileyo ungacela malini?
5.
100.
No.
5 million.
You have 100 of them. I want
5% of my money.
5. 5% ain't nothing.
Hectic. Okay.
What's that share charger, by the way? I'm so stressed. Oh!
It's a little. And you can make that back if you don't withdraw. I read that. Yeah. I also read that mail. Okay. But yeah, that's basically what I would do. I would try and be very responsible. After Nivutulule, 10%.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're still taking the 10 meter and throwing it away.
10 meter was sikomba. Don't buy anything that you can touch. After 3 months, I won't nix.
Oh,
Checking the memories. Yeah.
That's intense.
Yeah. But yeah.
But if you had kids and stuff, also bathengela into abazifunayo mhlawumbi nje abantwana bakho fonini.
Ezifana nto.
Ufuna upapa befuna la moto, eza moto baziqhubayo zingulu. Bonga amthengeli ongamthengeli.
I'm telling you, toys kaloku. I mean, that's also like not serious money. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah, no, I would. Those little things. But yeah, ain't nobody getting no Louis V, getting all ridiculous things.
I don't know. Do you have people in your life who'd want those things though?
No. Up until you've got the money and then people want those things.
I got the budget.
Yeah, man, I don't think yeah, but yeah, I don't think it would necessarily change me, even though okay.
Yeah, it definitely will.
Ne?
Yeah, it will.
I hope it would do so for the better.
Yeah. Because change can be better or worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're being that as it may. That's all okay. So yeah. I think yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we've kind of discussed as well.
Thanks for taking me on this lovely date. It was such a pleasure getting to know you.
Okay, I'm glad. So do you think maybe that you feel like you know me better?
Definitely.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, I feel like we've spoken about things that we've never spoken about before, although we feel like we've spoken about everything.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Which is cool.
Yeah.
It's always so crazy how differently you think from me, like in any situation.
Yeah.
And I'm always just like, how? Why that?
Yeah.
But it's refreshing and it's cool that we're not the same.
Yeah, I guess variety is the spice of life. You know?
You always have a saying, oh my gosh. I'm not 65.
You don't even hear me when I'm 65.
No, right? That's what I think.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's really, really cool. It just offers another view into, it's like you're looking at a house, but you're looking through a different window. Yeah, but now when you're looking through a different window now and asking certain questions, you get to see certain different things. Yeah.
For sure.
So yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I just want to say, sorry, Karen.
And I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. And I hope you guys will enjoy it in terms of hearing our answers. But also maybe just as a fun thing, just to kind of...
do it with your people.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely.
Yeah. So just a quick announcement. We have, in case you didn't see it, because I realize some people aren't on our socials. They're just on our YouTube.
Okay.
We have... subtitles now.
Yeah. Subtitles are up.
Yeah, subtitles are up. So this would be like the third episode.
Yeah,
with
from
subtitles.
episode 58.
Yeah, we have
You'll
subtitles,
get subtitles
now. So okay, if you watching on your phone, if you press on your screen, coined up on the top right, it is CC. Press that. It'll connect up subtitles. If you're on your TV, you can figure that out on the TV. But yeah, we have subtitles, and big up to the person doing our subtitles. You're doing such a great job.
100%.
Thank you so much.
Doing such a great job invoicing. But it's a great job nonetheless, and we really hope that that's one thing that's going to help in terms of us obviously trying to be inclusive, and everyone else who has been struggling through, but at least now it's something else that will really help you guys be able to connect with us even better. But
got you.
don't let that stop you from learning Xhosa.
Oh, 100%. Every day is not a holiday, but
Yeah.
cool. Yeah, thanks, man. This was fun.
Right.
I'm kind of sad. I'm like, can we do this for the next 6 episodes?
Because there's also limitless questions,
No,
right?
100%. But this was fun. Yenzani nani nabantu benu, just to, ungene ngefestiri ungangeni ngomnyango
Facts.
and don't forget
Love each other.